Motor Sports Club of Meghalaya haka khatlai terik urampang hajar arpunriu kala Pynkup Burom ya arngut ki Samla ba Pawnam ka Jylla ki bele akai haka jingnya Thuk ki bela job haka jingle akai nya Thuk haka Jylla bat shabar ka Jylla. Yakini ki arngut ki Samla u Banteilang jerwa arpu pras nem karta bat u Jayden nongklau khat pras nem karta la Pynkup Burom ha Shillong Press Club. Habaikren bikla pathai Khubor, President ka Motor Sports Club of Meghalaya upa Eugene Nyangti, ulong bikini arngut ki Samla ki bela job ha kajing kop nya Thuk ha ka Jylla bat chabar ka Jylla, bat kila yo ru ya kajing itho bat bay tingka da ka TVS ka long ka Khubor ka ba Mscm ki Samla ka Jylla bakin mi syakmat bani shiminta hakum kini ki judging le akai.
The award is proudly presented to Mr. Banteilang for his outstanding achievement as the champion of the Indian National Supercross Championship 2025. Can you tap the
On behalf of the Motorsports of Meghalaya, Club of Meghalaya, it is truly an honor and privilege to welcome you all at this special facilitation program. Today, we gather here to celebrate excellence, dedication and hard work. We are proud to honor Banteilang, a three-time national champion in the MRF Supercross recently 2025-26, and Jayden who secured first runners-up in the lowest category. Their achievements have brought immense pride not only to their families but to the entire state of Meghalaya. I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to the parents of our champions, the respected media houses and notably our senior motocross riders from Shillong. Your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful. At this moment, I would like to take you briefly through the history of motorsports in our region, especially motocross and supercross. Back in the years 1996-98, a group of passionate friends developed deep interest in off-road racing on two-wheelers. The machines of that era were the KB100, the RX100 and the Bajaj SX. Professional riding gear were almost unheard. Tracksuits, football gloves, customized leather boots and chin guard inside the chest made from VIP suitcase were the normal gears. The best motocross tire combination would be a TVS off-road tire, an on-off tire, for which we would cut you to get that knobby, when you do knobby grip. You know, the front tire. And the rear tire would be a tire of a YSD. The 16-inch rim, the YSD, old Java YSD, that was the tire that being used. So why I'm telling you this brief history so that you come, what is supercross, what is motocross, how that it evolved in our state. So anyway, those were the challenging times. Participation in one of the rounds of national event was nothing short of a dream. The cost of logistics were beyond reach for most riders. Often the riders and his friends were everything, the mechanic, the manager, the tuner and the support team at that time. Yet despite the limitation, the passion was unstoppable. For many years, motocross has been organized through the region of the Northeast, and it seemed almost impossible for someone from our region to win a national, when it was impossible for someone to win from our region to win a national championship. It was just so impossible to win a national champion in all these years. But today, these two racing giants, Banteilang and Jayden, have made history. Today, the sport has evolved tremendously. The speed, the style and the technology have changed drastically. Riders and machines are technically superior. The tracks have become more challenging, more airborne and more intense. Professional riding gear and competitive bikes are now accessible, and most importantly, talented riders like Banteilang and Jayden have risen to national prominence, becoming true inspirations to this sport. Proves that dreams from Meghalaya can reach national platforms, and one day we hope the international circuit as well. We strongly believe that our youths will continue to pursue their dreams with courage and determination. With the right support and guidance, there is no limit to what we can achieve. To conclude, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our honored champions and their families. Your sacrifices, the parents, Pak Nando, Imama, and support, and I believe have laid the foundation of these remarkable achievements, bringing laurels to our state and the region as a whole. I also extend my sincere appreciation to the trailblazers of motocross of Shillong, from Larry to Bowman to everybody, who Anthony, whoever everyone coming here, who are here today. Your passion and poignant spirit have paved the way to this new generations. A special thanks to you, Pak Niki, a true motorsport support and enthusiast, and renowned social work personality for sharing your valuable time and encouragement with us. Once again, we thank the media houses.
Kini kasab bau la Aisyah, but ngai kublay ka Mscm, but penyat ikane, but kami ay banik di big fan jangan ni, and ngai ngo ya mengayo imei pa isyap tim kublay, iba support yang hakai ke ibara, but iba ya Mscm yang hak jing yang bang lekai kita support skipun jing ki bang wan hak im ko jangan mengayo injury rei imei pa iba kentiu be yang ikem Samla pen dia mesti mengadai kentiu dia ngai om kun dia ile ngatip pinlah ne menjob dia kena ketong but kawai dia ngajob dia kena keting job kamdai ke pasuk nomor ba kipun ki riders ki ba nasabah kawai company jur ki ba private dia kipun kita riders ke India ni but sisa kalau long sisa ke jengkerku yang nomor ba ngai trace tom but play i ka jing trace tom janga but ngala man yo ban ken ni so jing job besipun